Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contra Podcast. You are listening to Consan Show, episode number 144. And in this episode, we are going to talk about why do people really hate their job and is it really necessary to hate your job? Let's get started. Never listen to any advices. That's the advice that I want to give. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Most people, everybody, including myself, when I was five years back or some 6 years back, when I was starting my journey, not my entrepreneurship journey, when I started working, everybody around me was just like, a job is not something gives you happiness. Job is something that gives you just money. It's not that you are doing it for happiness, you are just doing it for money. That is what everybody around me just started telling me. And I was working in a public sector, I was working in a government company, and everybody over there, the punch out, the sign out was at 4 o'clock probably, and everybody around me were so excited as soon as the clock hits 3:45, and they used to get ready so happy and they used to smile. When they just come to work at 8 o'clock, they would be so dull, they would be so bored out at 8 o'clock. That is where we punch in, and that is the time we just log in. At that particular time, everybody would be so sad, and as soon as the clock hits 3:45, everybody would be so happy. And if they get somewhere around a long weekend, everybody would be so happy, and they would say, my manager, including my manager, they would just come to my chamber and they would come to my cabin and they would just say that, happy weekend, you have a great weekend, forget everything, you just enjoy your weekend. But nobody just told me enjoy the work. Why is that? Really, because they are not really working for their happiness, they are not really working for their passion, they are just working for money. Of course, money is really important, but your happiness is more important than money. That is what I wanted to insist. And if you just start increasing the humor that you have for your particular job, trust me, your job becomes heaven. When I just talk to my employees, when I just talk to people, I include lots of humor. Since I have really less time in my YouTube channel, or really less time in my podcast, you would think that this guy might be a stand-up comedian. That is the reason he's just sitting and talking with humor in this podcast. I just come here to motivate, but this guy is bullshitting on things, and he just taunting people. That is how you would feel like. But when I really talk to people, when I really talk to my customers, when I try to sell something, I include lots of humor on it. Why? Is because you're not just selling a product, you need to sell an emotion. And humor is one of the greatest emotion that would impact many people in their entire life. Sell emotions rather than a product, so that you can get more customers, guys. So that is the reason humor is a great part in your entire life. Try to add some fun on people, even though if they say no, try to add that. Try to add some humor into everything. Even though if you fail in your business, or even though an employee doesn't work really awesome, or doesn't really meet his target, you just add some humor and encourage him. That would improve a lot in his entire life. That is what I wanted to tell you. Add humor to everything, so that your life would be beautiful. And I'm giving shout out to everyone who have commented in my particular podcast, and today the shout out is for Anirudh Shastri. So he has a great Instagram page, he's a great photographer, and he posts tons of pictures, and trust me, one picture would be really awesome than the other. When I just scroll into his particular profile, I find really the pictures are really astonishing. That is what I wanted to say to Anirudh. and his Instagram handle is over here, as seen by the rest, as underscore seen underscore by underscore the underscore rest. So that is how that is his Instagram profile. Make sure you guys follow him. So he lives in Bangalore, and so he has a great photography page, guys. Go follow him. You get tons of value by his particular page. And yeah, I'll meet you guys in my next podcast, guys. Meet you guys at the top, and bye bye, guys. Thank you.